The psychology of money. Why smart people stay broke. What if I told you the smartest person you know is probably making the worst financial decisions? High income, great education, yet zero savings or crippling debt. Some of the smartest people you know are broke. They have degrees, they earn good money, they understand logic, math, and strategy, and yet they live paycheck to paycheck. They feel stressed about money. They wonder why wealth never seems to stick. This isn't a money problem. It's a psychology problem. Today, we're breaking down why intelligence alone does not make you wealthy, why smart people often sabotage their finances, and how your behavior, not your income, decides your financial future. If you've ever thought, I make good money, so why am I still struggling? This video will change how you see money forever. Welcome to invesYou, where we turn financial confusion into clarity. Subscribe now if you want to build wealth the smart and sustainable way. We will highlight 10 psychological issues. Number 1. Why money is emotional, not logical. Most people assume money is about numbers. It's not. Money decisions are driven by fear, ego habits, social pressure, childhood experiences. You don't manage money with spreadsheets. You manage money with behavior. Two people can earn the same income. One builds wealth, the other stays broke. The difference? Psychology. Smart people often overestimate logic and underestimate emotion, and emotion always wins. Number 2. The smart people trap. Smart people fall into a dangerous trap. I'm intelligent, I'll figure it out later. So they delay investing, overanalyze decisions, chase complexity instead of consistency. They believe more information, better results, smarter strategies, more money. But wealth doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards discipline. Simple habits beat complex ideas. Number 3. Overconfidence and ego. Intelligence often comes with ego. Smart people trust their own judgment too much, ignore basic financial principles, take unnecessary risks. They think, I can beat the market. I don't need a budget. I'll invest later when I know more. Meanwhile, average people automate investments, stick to boring strategies, stay consistent, and they quietly win. Number 4. Income illusion. Why more money doesn't help. Here's the brutal truth. More income does not fix bad money psychology. In fact, it often makes it worse. Smart high earners upgrade lifestyles immediately, increase spending with income, feel rich before they are. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's why doctors go broke, lawyers feel trapped, tech workers feel stressed. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how long you keep it invested. Number 5. Short-term thinking destroys long-term wealth. Smart people are trained for short-term rewards, exams, promotions, bonuses. But money requires long-term patience. Your brain wants immediate comfort, instant gratification. Quick wins. Wealth requires delayed gratification, boring consistency, long-time horizons. The smartest investors aren't the quickest thinkers, they're the most patient. Number 6. Fear of looking basic. Smart people hate simple advice. They want advanced strategies, complex investments, insider knowledge. But the truth is uncomfortable. Index funds, automatic investing, time in the market. These boring tools build most millionaires. Smart people often avoid them because they don't feel smart enough. Ironically, simplicity creates wealth. Number 7. Social comparison and status. Smart people care deeply about image status perception. They spend to look successful, match peers, avoid feeling behind. Social pressure pushes them into expensive cars, high-end housing, lifestyle debt. But wealth is quiet. Most wealthy people drive modest cars, spend intentionally, ignore comparison. Number 8. The invisible cost of stress and decision fatigue. Smart people overthink everything. This causes decision fatigue, financial paralysis, stress-based spending. They delay investing, jump between strategies. Quit too early. The solution isn't more thinking, it's systems. Automation beats intelligence. Number 9. How to fix your money psychology. Here's how smart people break free. Automate finances, remove emotion from investing. Focus on behavior, not brilliance. Embrace boring consistency. Extend your time horizon. Wealth grows quietly when you stop interfering. Number 10. The real definition of smart with money. Being smart with money means controlling behavior, building habits, thinking long-term, not chasing trends, showing intelligence, impressing others. The smartest financial move is often the simplest one. Financial success is about behavior, not brilliance. The greatest returns came from staying disciplined for the longest time. If this video changed how you think about money, imagine what consistent education can do for your future. Subscribe to invesYou for weekly videos on investing psychology, wealth building habits, financial freedom strategies. Comment below, psychology over salary. If you're ready to build wealth the smart way, remember, money doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards behavior. See you in the next video.